Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I have a tutorial based on Beetlejuice, which is a movie that I should have watched a long time ago, but I only watched like 3 days ago, but it was friggin' amazing. I got this top and it really reminded me of Beetlejuice, and I also have like the green hair. And I'm just gonna say that Lydia Deetz is absolutely exactly how I was as a teenager. So this video is pretty short just because my battery was running low, so I am kind of working pretty quickly. And so I'm working pretty quickly with this, but that's okay because this is super easy. It only requires like a couple different shades for the eyes, and the face is really easy. I'm also not showing you how to do the brows or my base because I do just about the same thing every time. So anyway, all of me talking really fast has to stop, so I'm just gonna get started. So my first step is going to be to take my NYX HD eyeshadow base. There we go, y'all can actually see that. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyes. For my crease shade, I'm going to go into my e.l.f. Matte for Matte Jewel Pop palette, and I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm using a Wet n Wild crease brush, and I'm just putting that all over my crease. Now for my lid shade, I'm going into my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Urban right here, this bright purple. There we go, now my finger's in the right place. And I'm going to use a bit more of the shade from the Matte for Matte palette and just keep blending it out, and I'm going to smoke it up a bit more. And now I'm going to use that same shade from the Matte for Matte palette on a different brush, and I'm going to smoke that along my lower lash line. And I'm really going to bring that down a bit more to add to the deadness of this look. And now I'm going to use this shade from the Matte for Matte palette, the light cream shade. I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight. And I think I want to actually like continue smoking out the lower lash line. And now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this amethyst shade from the Kat Von D Girl, where are you trying to bring back polio? Alchemist palette. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Ardell lash curler. And for my mascara, I'm getting back to my favorite mascara of all time, which is the Urban Decay Perversion. And I have it in a mini because Sephora rewards. Now I'm going to go back in with the same shade that I used for my inner corner, and I'm going to use it as my highlight shade. I'm going to start working a little bit faster just because my battery is going dead a little bit on my camera, that thing. And so I'm just kind of highlighting the usual places so I can have just very like fun and iridescentness. The blush I'm using might have been discontinued, I'm not entirely sure. It's the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in Rapture, which is this really nice like purpley berry shade, and that's always kind of what I go for with these sorts of looks because it really does help tie in the whole look together. And then the last thing I'm going to do is the lips. I'm going to use this nude lipstick from Blackheart Beauty just because this is like the deadest nude that I have. I don't know actually what it's called, but I think it would look really good with this since I am supposed to look like Beetlejuice, who is very, very, very dead and like decomposing and stuff. So that was really quick, but this is the finished look. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below if you want to see more of my Halloween videos this month. And I will see you on my next video. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye!